Hello, Eman and Alshehery, how are you?
Hello, I'm good, thank you.
We are grateful to have you in our chat session. So, we will start with our questions now. You have presented your topic, Intelligent Numerical Method of Studying MHD Maxwell Williamson Flow with Bioconvention and Activation Energy. Please explain your research in a nutshell.
Okay, this research studies two-dimensional MHD stretched flow of Maxwell-Williamson nanofluid with the impact of activation energy by using a new intelligent numerical method called Littleberg-Marquardt backpropagation method based supervised neural networks, and this recommended method has proven to be effective and accurate to solve this flow model.
Thank you for explaining your research with us. What are your challenges you have faced in your research journey?
I started my research journey about 3 years ago, and I faced many challenges during this journey. The most important of which are the few references on this topic, also the time, because I took a lot of time in this research to collect the references and write the research.
Thank you. What is your motivation during your research?
The use of artificial intelligence and its techniques in many countries has become most popular in recent times to solve many problems in various fields, especially in my country, Saudi Arabia. It used here to achieve the goals of Vision 2030. Also, nanofluid play an important role in studying heat transfer, especially in the field of solar energy and its resources. So all of these reasons were the motivation for doing this research.
What advice would you give to a young researcher who has just entered in the research journey based on your own experience and insight?
I would like to tell them that they must have their time arranged and set a timetable to achieve their goals during the research journey.
What is your positive feedback about the conference?
I would like to thank you for giving me the chance to participate in this conference because through it I was able to communicate my research to the largest number of scholars. It was very good and I benefited a lot from it.
Thank you so much for sharing your experience with us. We are so grateful to have you, and hopefully, we will see you at our future conference too.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.